Hi, Charisse here with Surf With Amigas, and we have a little tutorial here for you about our Coco Chanel paddle. These techniques will have you paddling much faster and catching more waves. First off, you want to keep your fingers together. If they're spread apart, you won't get as much force and you won't be able to propel yourself forward as quickly. Think of your arm from your elbow to your fingertips as if it's an oar. Your hands like ice cream scoopers.
Oh, this is great.
Then you want to dig your whole arm up to your armpit into the water, not just your hand. You want to paddle in the shape of the Coco Chanel logo, drawing big C's underneath the board. You're trying to increase the amount of water you're pushing against. A longer stroke makes for more paddle power, so adding the curve adds length to your stroke. The longer your stroke, the faster you accelerate forward. Another thing we like to tell amigas is to keep your shit tight. So to avoid having the board rock side to side, you really want to squeeze your core, squeeze your butt, squeeze your hamstrings. Here are some things to avoid doing when you're paddling. The T-Rex paddle, where you're not digging your whole arm into the water. There's the windmill, where your arm makes a huge arc out of the water. That one just wastes your energy and is tough on your shoulders. You want to cut out any unnecessary movement your arm might be making when it's outside of the water. We also discourage the double paddle. You end up with a start-stop motion with this. When you paddle with one hand then the other, there's always momentum forward. You also have to lift your chest up in order to get both arms up at the same time, and that slows you down as it takes your momentum backwards. Thanks for watching, amigas. Hope you learned something and hope to be surfing with you down here real soon. Sorry.